Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars TSPX Superair textile jacket. Okay, the retail on this jacket is $189.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update videos for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Sizing.
So I am 5'11" and 1/4, 152 pounds, and I'm wearing a size small. And I will say, it says in the description that it has a sport fit, and it definitely does. Fits a lot tighter than most Alpinestars jackets I've tried on before. But I like it in general, I mean, it is a little bit tighter, but again, I like tighter, fitting clothing, jackets, anything.
So there's a couple ways to go here, right? So, let's say that Max's preferred fit is, I want a little more operating room, right? Well, you just go up to a medium.
Simple.
If you want a sporty or a real racy fit, like this is giving you right now, then you could roll with the small. And that's going to apply as you go on up through the, I would normally be a large. In this jacket, if I wanted more operating room, I would go up to the XL, because we did find today, we did 3 jackets in total. They were all international sized, so they were smalls to fit Max.
Yep.
And out of all 3, this one had a noticeably slimmer fit. And once again, there are some people that's what they want. I'll say if you're bigger around the middle, we're not body shaming anyone, we're just saying bigger around the middle, probably not the right jacket for you. Probably need to look at one of the other ones, because they're simply going to be more forgiving in that area. Go ahead and give them just a quick 360. Important note, this jacket ships with CE level certified, CE level 1. This is going to have the Nucleon armor in the elbows
And the shoulders.
and the shoulders. It has pockets in the chest as well as the back to accept inserts, right? They don't come with it. They have to be purchased separately. You'll find those in the Alpinestars armor section of our site. When we come back, we're going to have those inserts in so you can see how they influence the fit of the jacket on Max. Okay, same jacket, same guy. We've got the level 2 Nucleon Flex Pro chest inserts in the pocket. We've got the Cell back protector insert. Go ahead and give them a quick spin.
Yep. So here's the front. Back may look a little bit more filled out because this jacket is tighter around the torso, or everywhere basically.
How much did that change the fit for you in terms of comfort?
It's changed a little bit. I mean, it definitely filled out the back. I don't have a lot of wiggle room, but again, this is how I like my products to fit. Jackets, clothes, anything. So
we're good to
personally,
go.
I think this fits perfectly.
More features and benefits. This is a high airflow summer riding jacket with embroidered logos, which are just, they last forever. Like embroidery lasts forever. This whole panel up front is all mesh. We've got zipper hand warmer style storage pockets. You can see those are large pockets. I wear a 2X glove, get my hand in there, no problemo on both sides. Volume adjustment here at the waist is done with Velcro and a D-ring.
Yep.
Adjuster here at the wrist, that's your volume adjustment. If you want to have a glove that goes over the top of it, you can tighten it up a little bit, wear a gauntlet. Little reflective insert here on the shoulder. Full mesh paneling, right? And this is some high quality, some super nice mesh. Full mesh paneling for tremendous airflow. Embroidered logo on the shoulder. Get to the back of the coat. Another large mesh panel, split by a nice reflective insert. Finished off with an embroidered Alpinestars logo here at the base of the coat. Spin around one more time. This jacket also includes one inner waterproof storage pocket on the breast, which we will show you in the second part of this video. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned. We're going to take this jacket off Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Alrighty, here we go. The Alpinestars TSPX Superair jacket from the inside out. CE certified Nucleon Flex armor in the shoulders as well as the elbow and forearm. There are pockets to install chest and or back inserts. We highly recommend doing that. You'll find those pieces sold separately in the Alpinestars armor section of our site. As I move through the rest of this review, I will show you how to install them. Look at the size of this mesh panel on the back of this jacket. It's huge. Split by that reflective insert right there. Embroidered logo at the tail of the jacket. Volume adjustment in the waist is done with Velcro textile and a D-ring. The mesh actually connects to the mesh that goes into the arm of the jacket, right? There's your underarm area. There is the forearm, and this is a nice, robust, right? This is like an abrasion tear-resistant mesh that's still going to flow air very freely. Embroidered logo on the shoulder, reflective insert there at the shoulder, volume adjustment at the cuff is done with Velcro. Front of the jacket, once again, large mesh panel. All in this area. That iconic Alpinestars logo is split by the zip, 2 hand warmer style storage pockets on either side. You get inside the coat, nice comfortable mesh liner, comfort lined collar. Storage pocket here with a Velcro closure. You get to the other side, there is another one with a Velcro closure, okay? Armor access is found by zipping open this pocket at the base of the jacket. You then reach up inside. Right here is the back protector compartment. On either side in the chest area, you'll find a similar pocket. You're also able to gain access to the armor that I've removed and shown you by just simply sliding your arm up in between the mesh inner liner and the textile outer shell until you find the pocket, release the Velcro, and go ahead and pull it out. Belt attachment system. Let's say that you're out riding around and you want to keep the jacket overlapping your riding pants and you're wearing a belt. You simply unsnap these, and you can see it's elastic. Wrap it around your belt, do it up, bada boom, bada bing. It's going to keep the jacket over the pants when you get into that aggressive riding position. All in all, what do I think? I love the price of this jacket. As of the time we're shooting this video, it's sub $200, and you get a great jacket. It's very well executed. It has a unique fit with that sport fit. We broke that down earlier with Max for people that are looking for that more tailored fit and want tons of airflow. This is a great option. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.